Hi, I'm in Singapore for a few days now. I just realized that I have tried Chinese food, Indian food and other cuisines, but I have not tried Malay food yet. So let's go. I've just left Eunos station and I'm now off to the Pasar Geylang. So I'm in front of Pasar Geylang Serai. So because this one is the Malay, kind of Malay area, that's why most of the food here served are halal. There is a bakery shop. Now going into the market.
You never look back, holding on to make you one more day. Must be another way. Must be you were good for a while, weren't we? Tell me.
This is the first time I'm in a market here in Singapore.
Can we just find a way to make it back to how it used to?
These are the prawn crackers. Some of it, the design is so beautiful.
If you're gone, then I can't go on. I swore you'd be here to stay, holding on to make you.
Most of the stores are closed because it's Monday.
Free falling, you never look back, holding on to make you one more day. Must be another way.
These are pandan leaves. So there is the vegetables and fruit side. I think the meat and chicken are here. There is the meat and chicken. No fish. This area is the fish area, but because it's Monday, most of the stores are closed. So the fish market is closed on a Monday. So now I'm going up to get some breakfast. Fruits, vegetables market and also the meat market. It will be at the ground floor and the restaurant is upstairs. So I wonder how many restaurants are open. So now I'm going to find a few that I want to try. I think this one may be searching for some more. I want one Nasi Lemak.
I thought I meant something to you.
Nasi Lemak satu.
Maybe I just wasted my time.
I just got myself a Nasi Lemak. And this Nasi Lemak is $4.50. You have the peanuts, the sambal, the chicken and the egg. I like it. Egg. Do not come on a Monday when it's very quiet. It's better to come on other days when there are more choices of food available here. Okay, that's all for the video and see you again. Bye bye.